All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make another delicious plant milk using my juicer. Now, if you look at these ingredients, almonds, cashews, etc., you can probably guess what kind of milk this is going to be. Or can you? Now, I bet a lot of you guessed that I'm going to be making chocolate milk, but that is not what I'm making. This is actually not chocolate, it's carob. Now, if you're familiar with carob, then you know that carob is very similar to chocolate. For those of you who have not had it, it's a little sweeter. You can definitely tell the difference between the two, but they're more similar than they are different. The benefit to carob is for those who are sensitive to caffeine. Carob doesn't have caffeine like chocolate does, or if you're sensitive to histamines, carob is a better choice, and it still gives you that chocolate-like flavor with a little more sweetness. So I love carob personally, very health promoting. What else am I using? I'm going to be using some almonds and some cashews that I soaked overnight. Now, if you have kidney issues, if you're sensitive to oxalates, then you probably want to make one of the different milks that I've already shown here and skip this one. But if you're not, this makes an excellent milk. You could omit the cashews altogether. It just makes it more creamy. But if you take them out, this is still a deliciously flavored milk that you'll still enjoy. All right, I'm gonna add some date paste to sweeten it after I run it through. And that's it. That's what we're using to make this delicious carob milk. Let's put it together. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my soaked almonds and my soaked cashews and get them into my juicer, add the other ingredients, and then press the button and let the machine do all the work. Now, I do want to mention that you can also do this milk in a high-powered blender, but your results won't be quite as creamy and as smooth as you're seeing with mine here. But either way, you have a much healthier, fresher product than you would buy in the store. So either way, you're going to love this delicious carob milk. That is so good. You got to try it. You'll love carob after this. Perfect.